Okay, everyone, we're going to take a look at the newly refreshed 2019 Murano. It did not get an overhaul like the 2019 Ultima, however, it did get a refresh, just like the 2019 Maxima. Okay, everyone, so as we take a look at the new 2019, the first thing you'll notice is the front fascia and grille design. The V-Motion grille has a more aggressive design. It's a longer, deeper grille. The other thing you'll notice are the headlight design has changed. So now you have low and high beam headlights standard on all trim levels of this vehicle. They have redesigned the tail lights also with this vehicle. This vehicle is going to feature 3 new colors. You have the Mocha Almond Pearl, you have the Sunset Drift Chroma Flare, and you have the Deep Blue Pearl, which is what we're looking at now. This is one of the new colors that are featured on the new 2019 Murano. And also, if you'll take a look at the wheels on the Platinum for 2019 are 20-inch, and they're hyper silver finished on the Platinum edition. So the wheels are going to be different, and they also have a different design. Like I said, this is not an overhaul, just a refresh. They did a few things to just make a vehicle that already looked good look better. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting with the rear. One of the new features you'll notice for the 2019 Platinum are the diamond quilted leather seats. Also, you will have zero gravity seats in this second row now, whereas in previous years you only had it in the front row. You still have heated seats, and if you notice, you have a Type A and a Type B USB charging port. And on the 19s, you have a darker wood grain for the interior, as you see right here. So just a little more luxurious look to it. And now we're looking at the front. As you can see, you see the colors, you see the diamond quilted leather seats, the wood grain, which it's dark on the Platinum. However, on the SV and SL, you do have the light wood grain. Also, you still have zero gravity seats in the front, but now the second row is also zero gravity seats in the new 2019 refresh of the Murano. Right now we're going to touch on some of the safety features on the 19. Most were on the 18, but they did add a few additional ones. As you can see, we have the lane departure warning, and we have the lane departure prevention. So this vehicle, if it feels you steering from the road, it will apply pressure to get you back into your lane. You have the blind spot warning, which has been on the vehicle. The speed limit sign detection is new to the 2019. And under the parking aids, the sonar system is new to the 2019 also. So you have 3 areas of detection in the front, and you have 3 areas of detection in the back. And here shortly I'll demonstrate it real quick for you so you can see how it works. We still have the bird's eye view. So on the right of that screen, all sides, and as you can see, I'm slowly backing up, and that is the backup camera. And with the 3 areas in the front that are gray right now and 3 areas in the rear that are gray, as you approach a vehicle, it will light up. So you see it's green, and the closer I get, it'll change colors until ultimately it's red to show you that you're too close and you need to stop. This does have emergency braking. This does have driver attention alert. And keep in mind, again, the traffic sign recognition is new to the 2019, and the front and rear sonar system is new as it is standard in the SL and Platinum. We're going to take a look at the front of the vehicle. This gives you a better perspective and view. As you can see, we have a heated steering wheel on the bottom left there. You're going to have, again, your blind spot warning. You're going to have a Bose stereo system. But a few things they did add for this refresh is you can update the software in your radio system over Wi-Fi or with the USB now. You no longer need to go into the dealership to get that done. They also added the rear door alert, which is standard on all trim levels of the Murano now. And you now have 4 USB ports, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear. And again, you have 2 Type A ports and you have 2 Type B ports. And of course, on the Platinum, you're going to have the panoramic sunroof. So you'll have a full roof with the front portion being available to open and get to drive and enjoy the fresh air outside. So as I stated before, this vehicle did not go through a true overhaul. It went through a refresh. This vehicle was already a quality vehicle with some great options and some great safety options, but these are a few things they did touch on and refresh.